Well, today for Funny Videos, a video was created using free AI tools. No camera, just creating the
Just creativity and code. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today on 99 Reviews, I'm showing you how to turn any speech or idea into a stunning AI video just like this one using Grok AI, completely free. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate realistic AI characters, make them talk automatically, create cinematic animations, and even build your own mini stories, all powered by AI. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because this tutorial might just change how you create content forever. Everyone's talking about AI like it's magic, but few people know how to actually use it to create real content. Grok AI is one of the newest AI video generators that turns your text into moving, talking videos. Think of it as ChatGPT meets Pixar, where you describe what you want, and boom, it's alive. And yes, everything I'm showing you is made using a free Grok account. No paid plan, no watermarks. After opening the Grok AI website, link in the description, simply log in with Google and click Imagine on the left. Here you'll find endless creations images, short clips, even 3D animations, all made by users like us. Tip: you can actually view the prompts behind each example. That's gold for learning what type of prompt makes what kind of result. Once you're in, you'll see a message box. That's where the magic happens. Let's start the demo. Let's start with something fun, historical figures in a wild cinematic scene. Type that in, hit generate, and boom. I just gave me a hilarious set of images, but I want movie quality. So I add realistic cinematic lighting. Now this looks like a Hollywood shot. And here's the best part: I just click Make Video, and Grok automatically animates it. No timeline, no keyframes, no editing, just pure AI creativity. This is the future of video creation: fast, powerful, and free. Now let's make something talk. I enter this prompt: a cute 3D forest monster giving a short speech. Hit generate, and just like that.
Hello, friends of the forest.
The monster speaks. Can you believe I was made with free AI? Look, my horns even glow. That's right, speech. Plus animation, plus voiceover, all created automatically by Grok AI. No mic, no dubbing. Pixar vibes, smooth voice, full animation, and it's all free. We are literally living in the AI movie era right now. Now, let's test if Grok can handle a human character. One simple prompt: a young woman saying, "You don't want to miss this video. It'll teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this." And wow.
You don't want to miss this video. It'll teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
Perfect lighting, realistic face movement, and even natural lip sync. This is next level. For marketers, YouTubers, or brands, this is a game changer. You can create talking avatars, explainers, or ads without hiring anyone. And yes, it supports both vertical and horizontal videos, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or full-screen content. But we're not stopping there. Let's build a full AI story. Imagine a cute teddy bear cooking in the kitchen. I generate 3 images, same character, same style, and then turn each into a short animation. Combine them in a simple video editor, and here's the result. Show clip of AI teddy cooking. It's consistent, cinematic, and adorable. Perfect for kids' channels, storytelling, or animation shorts. Now imagine you work at a fitness app company and need an ad. Just type, "Create a Gen Z-style promo for a fitness app." And in seconds, you've got visuals, branding ideas, and even a talking spokesperson. Forget excuses. Fitverse tracks your workouts, meals, and progress in one app. Boom! Instant ad, no camera required. This is the future of digital marketing. So there you go. We just turned text into full-on AI videos with free Grok AI. From monsters to humans, stories to ads, boy, this tool can do it all. Which demo blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love chatting with you all. And if you want to level up your AI creation skills, watch this next video right here. It's packed with free AI tools that'll take your content to the next level. Until next time, this is Umer from 99 Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.